Now let's talk about the best, most potent remedy for this dry cough. Now, I've done other videos on this topic, and I talk about consuming honey, ginger tea, thyme, oregano. All of those are great. And even gargling with salt water is really good. But there's something else a lot better. This is going to be put in a nebulizer. That is something that turns a liquid into a fine mist, like a vapor, because you're going to breathe it in and it's going to go into your lungs. It's going to go through the throat and it's going to calm everything down very quickly. It's very potent. It's very effective. And you can use it for both a cough related to mucus and a dry cough. The first remedy is called NAC, N-acetyl cysteine.